Hello holders, when will your Social Security payment arrive in May 2026? Prerna Benefit TV. Subscribe now. Okay? Your May 2026 Social Security payment date is officially confirmed. But if you don't know your exact date, you could be left waiting. May 2026 payment dates. Let's break down the exact May 2026 Social Security payment schedule so you know precisely when your money is coming. First, SSI payments will arrive on May 1st, 2026 since it falls on a normal business day. Now, for Social Security retirement, SSDI, and survivor benefits, payments are sent based on your birth date using a standard Wednesday system. If your birthday falls between the 1st and 10th, you will get paid on May 13th. If your birth date is between the 11th and 20th, your payment comes on May 20th. And if your birth date falls between the 20th and 31st, you will receive your payment on May 27th. This system ensures millions of payments are delivered smoothly without delay. So once you know your birth date group, your payday becomes predictable every single month. Who gets paid early? Here's something many people don't realize: some beneficiaries actually receive their payments earlier than these dates. If you started receiving benefit before 1997, your payment usually arrive near the beginning of the month, no matter your birth date. Also, if you receive both SSI and Social Security, you are traffically paid earlier to make sure you have access to your funds sooner. That's why some people may see payments around the first few days of May, sometimes even close to May 3rd. This often creates confusion when people compare payment dates with others. But the truth is, not everyone follow the same schedule. Once you understand which category you fall into, it becomes much easier to track your payment without stress. How much you get? Now let's talk about how much money you might receive. The average Social Security retirement benefit is about $2,021 per month, but your actual amount depends on your lifetime earning and when you start claiming. If you claim early at age 62, your payment can be significantly lower, but if you wait until full retirement age or even delay until age 70, you could receive much higher benefits. In fact, the maximum monthly benefit can reach up to $5,181 for those who qualify at the highest level. That huge different over time. Your claiming decision does not just impact one payment, it impacts your income for the rest of your life. So understanding these numbers is may key to making smarter financial choice. Why this schedule matters. These payments date are more than just calendar events. They are a financially lifeline for millions of people. Social Security includes retirement benefit, disability payments, survivor benefits, and SSI support for those with limited income. For many households, this money covers essentially expenses like housing, food, and medical care. With rising cost and inflation pressure, knowing exactly when your payment arrive help you stay in your control of your finance. The structured payment system ensure smooth distribution across millions of beneficiaries, reducing delay and confusion. By understanding your payment schedule, you can plan your monthly budget more effectively and avoid unnecessary stress. Check your birth date, confirm your payment day, and stay one step ahead financially. Follow for more real money updates. Subscribe now my channel.